Hey guys, welcome once again. Today we are going to discuss on the SAP SD Enterprise Structure. Okay, so today we'll be discussing the sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Okay, so let me just go in SAP. I will go in the configuration path, SPRO, go to SAP reference IMG, then go to enterprise structure, definition, sales and distribution. Now click on define copy delete check sales organization. So there is a key point. So whenever we are defining new sales organization, we should always copy based on the standard. So you can take any standard. So 1000 is there, any standard you can take. Right now I am taking this 1000. Okay, now I want to give my sales organization name is ZB00. Okay, now I will copy each and everything. Now it's asking for the TR. So what happen? Whenever you want to save the TR, just let's say just type the first our module SD, then the config name. So I'm just typing sales org. Sales org. Okay, then you can save it. See, completed activity, sales organization 1000 copied to ZB00. Okay, so now what we need to do, just go to define sales organization. Now click on position and find out our sales organization. See, the name is different because we copied from that sales organization. So what we'll do, we'll come here and we'll rename the sales organization. So sales org, let's say sales org. We are given ZB0 now, sales org B I want to name. This totally depends on the requirement. Okay, static currency, I want to change each and everything. What we can do, I want to make currency in INR and Indian company. Okay, click over here. Okay, we'll change the name, sales org B, sales org. What happened here, we need to take the system one sales, and here can be any name, let's say in ABC Enterprises. Okay, so you need to write in such a way. So I'm taking half of question, so first letter should be here and the second part should be here, so it will be easy to search. So I'm writing some address, postal code 2074. This is based on Mumbai. Okay, now I'll change the country to IN. Now I'll take the region as a Maharashtra. Okay, just hit enter. Move with this thing. Okay, now just save it. Okay, so let's discuss some concept. So what is sales organization? So basically whenever there is a so any service or product which you are selling, so this will be streamlined from here only, sales organization. So and one more thing, let's say you are having one company, so we'll prefer to create one sales organization only. If there is a vast business scenario, then only we'll choose with multiple sales organization. What SAP says that we need to always keep the less number of sales organization, so it will be easy to maintain. Okay, now moving on to next part, that is distribution channel. So what is distribution channel? So let's say we will doing the business in wholesale, retail, so kind of the way we do the business. Okay, I have written some channel definition. So distribution channel represents the medium through which the products or service are delivered to the customer. Okay, so we'll create the next part, which is distribution channel. Click over here. Now define the distribution channel. So I've already created one wholesale. I just want this wholesale, but you can, if you want new, you can just come here and let's say ZZ distribution. Okay, let's do this. Okay, distribution, save. So but I will, in coming lectures will be taking this wholesale, WH wholesale. So let's say in a real-time business scenario we might have wholesale, retail, direct sale, online. Okay, so kind of distribution channel will be having, but we'll be dealing initially with the wholesale only. Okay, now the next part, which is division. So what is the division? Let's say we are in an industry where we are manufacturing the dairy products, so and we are doing wholesale business. So we have a dairy product, so we'll define one division as a dairy, another we have electronics, let's say. So we'll define one division as electronics. So based on the product we'll define the division. Okay, so and one more thing, this division is a cross module. Okay, so you will find here under logistic general, and who is going to define the division? So basically SD consultant is responsible for defining the division. Okay, but before defining the division, what happened now, there is a, you can have a call with the other cross model also to discuss this part, what divisions are required. So after doing the let's say discussion between the team and the business team, so we'll come with a n number of division, then SD consultant will going to create the division. Okay, so here we don't need to copy anything, we can directly create, because this is a very small thing. So same way we can come here and ZZ, let's say any cross division or any dairy product. Okay, great. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so these three things we have defined till now. Later on we'll be creating the further part, we'll be like let's say from finance and accounting, this part. So to complete the configuration. Okay, then thank you very much. I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.